This safe is now surrounded by $100,000 in explosive.
You could say it's unsafe now.
Out of every explosion we've ever done, what you're about to see is the biggest by far.
This is a real explosion.
3, 2, 1! I don't even have any words.
Wow. Bro, the back of the safe is gone.
Bro, it broke the foundation. There's a whole crack in the floor.